Hello guys, in this particular job we use in the hydro block system, and one of the reasons that I choose this system is because of the drain. The drain here, it allows me to move in the drain to the left or to the right. It's a perfect drain. So we make sure everything's waterproof 100%. We're pretty happy. We need to make sure everything's done correctly. And something that I can advise you guys over and over, make sure you guys read the instructions. It's a super critical step. I know people forget how to do this, but it's critical you guys read the instructions. You need to make sure everything's done correctly and everything's watertight, because of course it's gonna be water in the shower. You need to make sure it's done correctly. And don't forget to add thinset in the back of the tile. I know that I said over and over, adding thinset in the back of the tile, but yes, it's super crucial. This leveling system is one of my favorite ones. I love the spin doctor. It works perfect. It never fails to me, and it's a really good system for installing tile. I'm pretty happy with this. I know it sounds like a wow, but it really is. It's amazing. If you never use it, try. And also, I'm gonna give one of those in my Instagram away for you guys. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And also, this tool is amazing. It allows me to take the air pockets with thinset. And after we do that, we add in the leveling system. Make sure it's nice and tight. And any extra air, we pull it out with the tool. It's amazing. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us in YouTube and Instagram. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. And I'm gonna try to do every 2 weeks videos like this. And let me know if you have any questions about bathroom renovations. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. It's a little bit more to watching the video, and I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one. Ciao.